So in front, step in, step up. Stay down. From the side, I don't want to pull here. That'll take it up. Swing it up and pull this up with it. And that. So that's two, one omote, one from the side, and ura. There are people who stay down, but I think this, if my feet are through here, I can't do that. So I stand up. Here's the movement in the same direction. Safety zone. And shiho. So shiho nage from Hanihan Dachi. 3 ways. Omote, ura, and omote, I guess, from the side. I'm coming from the front, coming from the side, and then you do omote, ura, and then you're just letting him move around you.